Welcome along to BalloonTube, and thanks for tuning in. And today we're going to do the helicopter. I think it's 4 balloons. I'll double check. This is a quick link. Alright, so this is what we're going to make. Give it a little twirl for you. Right, so what you need is a 260, and I've left about 6 fingers uninflated. Right, you need 2 1.5 finger bubbles, which you're going to pinch twist. So do your 2 1.5 finger bubbles there, get the knot, wrap it around the second twist, and then take the knot and one of the bubbles and go around a couple of times, and then you end up with 2 pinch twists about the same size and the same pressure. Squeeze the air along. You now need a 3 finger bubble and 2 more pinch twists. So again, 1.5 finger bubble, squeeze the air. There you go, twist these 2 together, you go round, this balloon comes over the top. Then you need a 7 finger bubble, which is for the bottom of the helicopter. So squeeze the air along, so that would be 8. So put your finger and thumb between your, just before your little finger, and that gives you your 7 finger bubble. A 2 finger bubble here for a pinch twist, that's going to be the bottom of the helicopter. And you need a 5 finger bubble and 2 1.5 finger bubbles pinch twisted. The rotor blades are going to fit on here later. Alright, so twist those around, this goes over the top. Then come down with the same size of 5 finger bubble, so measure it down, 5 finger bubble, there we go, that goes down the pinch twist at the bottom. Now to make this a little bit more circular, we're going to put a bubble in the middle, which is going to be about a 3 finger bubble. So measure about a 3 finger bubble there. And pull the 2 pinch twists down, wrap that around, and then it should sit right next to it, so you can see, a little bit like that. Alright, and now you've just got to match this one down here, which is going to be between a 6 and a 7 finger bubble on that, so it matches up. So let's deflate this in your favourite method. Don't use your teeth, whatever you do, that's terrible. There we go, there you go, so it matches up, and tie that up and wrap that into the 2 pinch twists there. Right, there we go. So, do like that. Now, you need the quick link, and I've used 3 pumps of a purple Qualitex pump to inflate this. All right, and also put a couple of knots at the end here because it helps to grip the when you tie this in. So do a couple of knots there, and that will help. I always think that the this end is rounder, so I like to put that at the top of the helicopter. Alright, so what we do is we go on the 2 pinch twists here, and that really tight there, make sure it's nice and secure around there, so that those 2 knots you've just put in, really nice and secure. Then this one here is going to come to the bottom 2 finger pinch twist, and then the excess of the balloon we're going to bring to the top, just to squash it all down a little bit. So get hold of the knot. That goes, put it nice and tight, go for it. Wrap that around the bottom pinch twist, and then take all this excess, hold it nice and tight, push the top of the helicopter towards the bottom, and then wrap that around. There we go. So it just makes it, and so it gives it that slightly more squashed front helicopter shape. Well, I think so. Hopefully you do too, but who knows? I'll do it my best. Right, so you need a 160. Oh dear. Well, it makes me smile. And we've left about 5 fingers uninflated. Alright, you need a 2 finger bubble, 1 finger pinch twist. Alright, and then for the front part of the landing gear, I do a 4 finger bubble and a 5 finger bubble. Alright, so one's slightly longer than the other, go around the pinch twist, and I'll explain why we do that in a little while. Oh, I couldn't explain it now, could I? I just like the the landing gear to sort of look inwards a little bit, that's all. So nothing too technical really. You need a 5-finger bubble, alright, 5-finger bubble, and you need a 1-finger spacer bubble. Alright, so it's the second twist. Alright, hold on to that so it will come undone. That goes around the 2-pinch twist at the top of the helicopter. Alright, that goes round. Then you want your 1-finger spacer bubble again. And then wrap the 1-finger spacer bubble around the other one. Not sure what you can see of those. There we go. So it's just a slight spacer bubble. Then another 5-finger bubble. 1-finger pinch twist. A 4-finger bubble. A 5-finger bubble. And the 5-finger bubble goes around the 1-finger pinch twist. Right, they then come down to the bottom of the helicopter, and then to join these up, we need a 3-finger bubble. So we need a 3-finger bubble, and these come down to the bottom, and it goes round the other pinch twist on the other side. So there we go. And then I'll do another 3-finger bubble going back, just to double secure it to make sure that it's all going to be nice. And there we go. And then, I've got my landing gear the wrong way around. Oops. And the last bubble, you need another one to match, a 2-finger bubble, and deflate that in your favourite method. Use a cutter, scissors, and you know the by now, not your teeth. Alright, so let that down, a little bit more, and that'll do. And then get your scissors, see I do have them, and cut off the excess on the other side as well. You might as well make it look nice and neat while you're doing it. Alright, so as you can see, the 5-finger bubble is on the outside and the 4-finger on the inside. It just makes it, for me, it just makes it all sit nicer. There we go. You should end up looking a little bit like this. Oh, try not to drop it on the floor. Now you need to put your blades on. So you need, I use black, and on this one there's probably about between 3 and a 4-finger uninflated. So you need a 1.5-finger bubble, and then a 1.5-finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist. So pinch twist that. Now I do a 12-finger rotor blade. So squeeze the air along, that's 4, 8, 12, that's it, and then that will go back into the pinch twist. Alright, so now you could put another twist here if you wanted to give it a different shape or a different look to the blades, but I just do the 12-finger fold twist. So 1, 2, 3, there's the other one, that will go into there, and then you need the last one, squeeze the air, 1, 2, 3, that goes into there. Now what you can do, which is quite handy, is the rest of this you can use for the back rotor blade. That's good, isn't it? So wrap that round a few times so that won't come undone. Alright, and then, oh, look at that, balloon under each hole. This you need to be about a 6-finger bubble. So we're going to go for about there, I think. There we go. Let's tie that up. And we'll use that in a second. I'll put that down safe. So this one is, we've got your pinch twist at the top, your 3 12-finger fold twists for the rotor blades, and your 1.5-finger bubble here, and the knot of the balloon goes into the 2 pinch twists at the top of your helicopter. That goes around. There we go. And because you've got your 2 pinch twists there, you can adjust it so you can have it sit in how you like. There you go. You can slightly shape these to go down as well, because if the helicopter's sitting, the blades do sort of fold down around it, don't they, a little bit. So there we go. And then you just need to put the back bit in. Now I do know that the back, the rotor blade should come out the side and have a pinch twist and 2 fold twists, but you haven't got enough balloon if you just want to use the one, you see. So, so we've been doing it this way. So cut off the excess. Oh, I forgot to say, if you have a knot at this end, for symmetry, and so it looks the same, I like to put a knot at the other end. So There we go. And tie that off there. Tie that off there. Cut that off there. That's it. The word was cut there, Greg. Oh, don't drop it on the floor. Hang on, I'm just picking it up. There you go. Twist that into two. Oh, yeah. That goes around there. And oh, hang on. There we go. Now, I'll just generally have that a little bit like that. There we go. So there's your helicopter. And get it all round. So I'll give him a 12 for you. Hope he's okay. Hope you can use him. And if you could subscribe to BalloonTube down here, that'd be great. And if you also wanted to have a look on Balloon Chat, there's a few variations of the helicopter as well. So thanks for watching, and we might see you again sometime. Alright, so it's bye from me. Cheerio. Bye from the helicopter. Bye. Oh, it can't fly. Cheers.